sweep. See, I was laying on the bed just thinking one day we need to come up with a dance. Ben started to say, it don't need to be fancy, you don't need to get crunk, just gotta bend your knees and sweep the plate like I know. Now do the Weezer sweep, now do the Weezer sweep, now cross your legs and do the Weezer sweep. Now do the Weezer sweep, yeah, do the Weezer sweep. Cross your legs, spin once and do the Weezer sweep.
Alright guys, now we want y'all to get up off y'all feet and do the Weezer sweep with us. Let's go.
Yeah, alright, I want you to hit a freestyle. Do whatever you want. You could sweep the ceiling, sweep the floor, I don't care what you're sweeping as long as you sweeping along with us.
Yeah boy, we'll catch y'all later after this freestyle dance.
Oh yeah, go get your stuff on. Weezer sweep, do the Weezer sweep. Now cross your legs and do the Weezer sweep. Do the Weezer sweep, do the Weezer sweep. Now cross your legs, spin once and do the Weezer sweep.
Alright my dudes, thanks for all coming out. We'll see y'all later when we hit up the Joe Shuffle. Now y'all, that's gonna be a hot one. Alright, peace out. 3, 3, 7.